everybody, it's Miss Amber and welcome to the Grundy Library Hour of Code. This week we're going to be doing some Harry Potter themed coding, and we are going to be going to the Kano Harry Potter Hour of Code website. I'll include the link in the description of this video. So when you click on the link, it should look like this, and you're going to scroll down to see the 5 different challenges. There's a challenge where you can levitate a feather. There's a Birdie Bots Beans challenge. This one is really fun. You create fireworks. This is a challenge where you play music at the Yule Ball. But today we're going to be looking a little bit closer at the controlling the flying car. So click on that one. And our goal is to create the flying Ford Anglia car. And we want it to fly around over here and follow our mouse. But right now, we don't have any code and we don't have our car yet, so we're going to read these directions up here. And these directions are going to walk you through step by step everything you need to do to complete this challenge. And if you get a little bit confused or if you don't know where to click throughout this tutorial, you're going to also be looking for this blinking yellow dot, and that's going to show you exactly where to click. So we're going to open up the events tray over here and drag on our first block of code. Then we're going to go over here to our objects tray. And as you can see, there's 3 different lines of code here that we could choose from, but this blinking yellow dot is giving us the suggestion of choosing this one here. So we're going to snap it right in, make sure it connects. And we have an owl over here now, but we need to change that owl to our car. So we can scroll through this list. There's a lot of different options which are really fun to look at, but we're going to keep going. We're looking for the flying Ford Anglia car. There's Fluffy. Okay, and there's our car. So that's the one we want. And now we have to keep going down through objects, adding in our code. So again, you can see that that blinking yellow dot is showing me exactly where I need to snap in and connect my code. And then I'm reading my directions up here and it's telling me what I need to change. So I need to change grow to set. So we need to click on this and you can select grow, shrink, or set. We're clicking set. We need to change where it says all to Ford Anglia, and we're changing where it says 10 to 50. Okay, great. So our car is looking really good over here. But now we need to add a loop in to add force. So we're going to go over here to control, and we're going to bring in that line of code, snap it right in, and we're going to have to change seconds to frame. So click on seconds, changing that to frame, perfect. Now we have to go over here to the physics tray, and we are bringing this code over here, snapping it right in where it tells me to, making sure it connects. And I have to change all to Ford Anglia. And then we have to go over here to objects because we have our car, it's looking really good, but again, we don't have all of our code, so it is moving around. So we have to move this over here, snap it in. We have to change where it says random to Ford Anglia. Okay, and now we have to add a mouse part. So that's in a little bit of a different area. Again, look for that blinking yellow dot. You're going to click on mouse. And we added a mouse tray over here. So if you click on that, we're going to be adding in mouse X. Perfect. Click on the mouse tray again. Click on mouse Y. Connecting it over here. Good. And then we're going to want to change our strength. Right now it's at 0, but we want to change that and put it at 70. Okay, good. So that was the first part of the challenge. And now our directions are telling us that we can go over and test out our code a little bit. So we have our car. You can see it's flying around the screen, but it's not working as well as I would really like. It's being a little crazy and it's flying upside down a little bit. And I think that we can improve our code and smooth that out a lot. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to use some of our logic blocks next. So you're going to go over here and open the logic tray, and you're going to add these in. So I'm going to keep working, you can keep coding. Again, follow the directions up here and then look for that blinking yellow dot. And you're going to get that car coded and flying perfectly in no time. And then when you're finished with this challenge, you can go back and you can check out the other 4 Harry Potter Hour of Code challenges. I hope you guys have a lot of fun with these challenges this week, and Miss Laura and I will see you at our next code club. All right, bye!